Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're going to find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, a major game changer for XRP. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, as most of us know, this is probably one of the most anticipated weeks in this entire digital asset space that we have had in a long while. And of course, we are talking about the potential approval for a Bitcoin ETF. Now, guys, we all know that, hey, how a Bitcoin ETF could work in this space could be advantageous in the beginning, but is it going to be a big time deal long term? And how will that paper market affect the actual digital market overall? Well, guys, there's a lot of folks out there that believe the spin-offs from a Bitcoin ETF into this ecosystem are going to be astronomical. Now, just take a look at this article right over here. And BlackRock's game-changing exchange-traded fund, Forbes predicts 1.5 trillion boost with Ripple XRP's time to shine. Now, just listen to this article right down here. Forbes reports a 1.5 trillion market capitalization prediction for Bitcoin by the end of 2024, driving optimism in the cryptocurrency market, particularly impacting XRP's value. AllianceBernstein analysts foresee a significant increase in Bitcoin ETF inflows, predicting a domino effect on cryptocurrencies like XRP. The ripple effect in the dynamic and often unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. Now, guys, we have lived with that moniker of volatility for a long time. It's my personal belief that we see a major utility bull run in this space, and that volatility is going to be a thing of the past. And having said that, think about it. Do you believe that the people that are out there are going to be paying, let's say, $100 per XRP? What are they thinking in their mind? Because for everyone here that may sell their XRP at $100, and somebody else has to be buying it, right? Well, the guy buying it at $100 is probably thinking, boy, I sure hope it goes to 300. But where are the largest percentage gains? Guys, the largest percentage gains are in the very early adopters buying it under $1. Well, guys, that's us, in my opinion. Now, listen to this. A recent forecast by financial analysts has sparked a notable change in market trends, particularly affecting XRP, a prominent digital currency. Recently, Forbes published insights from senior contributor Billy Bramble revealing a bullish forecast for Bitcoin by analysts at AllianceBernstein. They predict the market capitalization of Bitcoin could soar to an unprecedented 1.5 trillion by the end of 2024. This projection has not only bolstered confidence in Bitcoin, but has also radiated optimism across the crypto market, notably benefiting XRP. Following a period of instability where Bitcoin sharply fell to just $500 above the $40,000, so $40,500, it has made a remarkable recovery, now trading above $44,000. In fact, today I think it was almost at $47, $48. XRP in tandem has bounced back from its dip, nearing the 60-cent trading mark. This synchrony of recovery patterns underscores the interconnected nature of cryptocurrencies. The pivot point in this scenario is the potential approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF, exchange traded fund, by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The anticipation surrounding this approval is a key driver in the recent surge in Bitcoin's value. Analysts Mahika Sapra and Gautam Shangain, I'm not sure if I nailed those pronunciation's right, from Alliance Bernstein speculate that 2024 will be a pivotal year for Bitcoin, anticipating a price hike, guys, to $80,000 within the next 12 months. As Bitcoin's ETFs gain traction, the ripple effect, pun intended, on other cryptocurrencies, including XRP, becomes increasingly evident. Analysts forecast a snowball effect. Guys, we are going to see a spin-off like no tomorrow. And why? A rising tide raises all ships. And in this capacity, you've got all these funds that are going to be flooding in because a spot Bitcoin ETF, yeah, they got to go out. People are going to buy the ETF. But a spot ETF means that they have to hold the equal amount in the underlying asset. That means dollars are going to be flowing into this digital asset space. And you could better believe, as it's happened in every other bull run, when Bitcoin has taken off, hey, the rest of the market comes right up with it, and it's going to be phenomenal. Where the growing demand for Bitcoin's ETFs positively impacts the value of other digital currencies, specifically XRP has been identified as a primary beneficiary of this market trend. The analyst by Alliance Bernstein further suggests that Bitcoin's ETF could attract significant inflows, approximately $5 billion in the first half of 2024 and $10 billion in the latter half by 2028. It's anticipated that around 10% of Bitcoin might be held within ETFs. In addition to the ETF factor, other elements are bolstering Bitcoin's value, indirectly benefiting XRP. These include the upcoming April 2024 Bitcoin halving event and the increasing corporate interest in cryptocurrencies as exemplified by companies like MicroStrategy. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, the interplay between Bitcoin's trajectory and the value of other digital currencies like XRP remains a focal point for investors and market analysts alike. Now, guys, just check out this article right here. As speculation mounts, as analysts foresee XRP ETF filing shortly after the SEC's approval of a Bitcoin ETF, guys, we are going to probably see a major domino effect. Now listen to this right here. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission recent approval of the first ever spot Bitcoin ETF has stirred up speculation about the potential for similar developments in other digital assets. Could we be on the verge of witnessing an XRP ETF filing? As anticipation builds for the imminent approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF by the SEC, rumors are circulating within the crypto community that an XRP ETF filing may not be far behind. Despite the ongoing legal battles between the SEC and Ripple, recent developments suggest a shift in the regulatory winds. Notably, a screenshot shared by crypto influencer Jack the Rippler. Now, Jack the Rippler, this guy has been here practically since day one, and he has lived through it. He has seen it, guys. We need to actually get this kind of vantage point and perspective. Judy and I, we lived through the last one. And from our perspective, with what we experienced there to where we are here, it is, I'm telling you guys, it has got our anticipation on a high because we have been here before. It's like deja vu. Now, he's revealing an XRP exchange traded product named Amon Ripple, a XRP ETP registered with Fidelity. This development has sparked speculation about a potential XRP ETF application. And here's the tweet. Boom. ETP on Fidelity and XRP ETF is coming soon. Generational wealth is on the way. Well, guys, Jack the Rippler has seen some of that wealth already. Judy and I, our lives were absolutely revolutionized as a result of that last run. I genuinely believe we are looking at the potential for the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind as we move out into this digital asset space and how distributed ledger technology is going to change the wide world. I absolutely, genuinely believe that. Now, it's worth noting that the regulatory landscape for Ripple has seen a positive turn following summary judgment by Judge Annalisa Torres in July 2023. The judge ruled that the sale of XRP tokens to retail buyers does not qualify as securities assets. The positive decision has given confidence to those applying for permission to launch XRP exchange-traded funds. Big names like BlackRock, VanEck, Fidelity, Bitwise, and Valkyrie are among those feeling more confident about getting approval. With the approval of a Bitcoin ETF expected around January 10th, market analysts are closely watching for potential XRP ETF filings. There are speculations from the XRP community suggesting an ETF filing might occur as early as April 2024. While the anticipation builds for the SEC's decision on the Bitcoin ETF, XRP Whale, a prominent figure in the XRP community, has hinted at a potential XRP ETF application as early as April. The speculation further suggests that the ETF could be launched before the end of the year. However, it's important to note that these hints remain speculative. Guys, nothing has been etched in stone, to be sure. But usually when there's smoke, there's fire. You watch one domino fall, what happens to the other dominoes? You guessed it. Now, it may take time to see them all run through the line, but guys, the world is changing. The economy is changing. These markets are big time changing. And we are now moving into that level of acceptance and maturity on a broad scale. Now, in the midst of these developments, the XRP price has shown relatively subdued momentum compared to Bitcoin's recent highs, where the flagship cryptocurrency briefly touched the 45,000 mark. Currently, XRP is experiencing, and they're saying down here, a decrease. Well, guys, today it was up to over 57, almost 58 cents. So at the time of this article, since then till now, we've already moved back up and things are really happening. Now, guys, check this one out. XRP wallets surpass new milestone as analysts predict crypto will outperform. The native token of the XRP ledger, XRP, has reached a new milestone when it comes to the number of wallets on the network, as it has recently, get this, surpassed the 5 million mark, a notable increase from last year's start of 4 million. The growth in XRP wallet address suggests that the network's user base is increasing, as its adoption amid a wider cryptocurrency market recovery that has seen the price of Bitcoin recently surpass the $45,000 mark for the first time, get this guys, since March of 2022. So we're talking like well over a year and a half ago. Recently, XRP transactions also seen a surge, maintaining numbers well over 5 million since the start of the year, further pointing to the cryptocurrency's growing adoption. Over the past year, it's worth noting the price of XRP, get this, surged around 65%. Now, you got all these people complaining about, where XRP's price is at and this and that. Tell me what other asset and asset class that you are seeing are your equities going up 65% in 1 year? Not on your life. Guys, I'm telling you, we're going to see a day when people are going to salivate for the prices that we see. Nevertheless, a cryptocurrency analyst has suggested it could keep climbing to potentially reach $27 a token in a recent rise following Ripple's legal victories over the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, guys, we know all about this lawsuit and everything that's going down there. What we're seeing right now, guys, is something truly amazing. And this week, it's like it's all culminating. Now, if we get what we think is going to happen, guys, I believe that this could be the catalyst that will literally be the spark that ignites in true fashion this next bull run in a big way. For me, guys, the bull run truly has already started. We have moved up and we have broken over some of those resistance levels, and you are literally seeing a lot of these assets retracing way up there to where they were before this last recent dip. And guys, what I believe is coming next is going to leave most people absolutely gobsmacked. And this next bull run could be the biggest bull run that this digital asset space has seen since the very first days. Guys, it is going to be phenomenal. Guys, as we have seen over the past few days, things in this space can literally change on a dime. And that is why it is so vitally important for you to get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one, for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.